Now, even as tension is rising between India and Pakistan, India continues the diplomatic strike against Pakistan. Sources have told India today that India might approach the terror funding watchdog, that is the FATF, which means the Financial Action Task Force against Pakistan.
In the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack, India is planning twin financial strikes on Pakistan to throttle support for cross-border terrorism. Sources say that India is likely to actively pursue getting Pakistan back onto the Financial Action Task Force or the FATF grey list. India is also expected to raise concerns over the International Monetary Fund's $7 billion aid package to Pakistan, alleging misuse of funds for terror-related activities. The deal for the 3-year aid package was finalized in July 2024. Pakistan was put on the grey list of the Global Money Laundering and Terror Financing Watchdog in June 2018. Pakistan was removed from the list in October 2022 after it committed to curb terror funding. Because of being put on the FATF grey list, Pakistan suffered losses amounting to $38 billion between 2018 and 2022. If reinstated, the FATF grey list status will increase scrutiny on Pakistan's financial dealings, potentially restricting foreign investments and capital inflows into the country. There will also be strict scrutiny of finances in Pakistan. The move may even downgrade credit ratings of the country. And lastly, imports and exports of the country may become costlier. India is likely to engage with key FATF member states in the coming weeks to garner support for its move ahead of the next plenary session. Apart from downgrading diplomatic relations with Pakistan, India has suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, closed the integrated checkpost at the Attari Wagah border, cancelled visa services for Pakistani nationals and closed its airspace to Pakistani flights. The centre has also banned 16 Pakistani YouTube channels and blocked the Instagram accounts of Pakistani stars.
After the Pahalgam attack, multiple global voices have come India's way, and global partners are acknowledging that Pakistan has been involved in terror attack in Pahalgam. India will be formally going and pushing Pakistan to the grey list with the help of the global partners of FATF. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Abhishek Singh for India Today.